Oh look. That's how we get the kickstarts going. One boot, one flip flop. Who's the little bike? Is it yours?
No.
Yeah, it's your bike.
No.
No?
No, mine's up there.
So is this your one?
Yes.
Danger Boy.
Yes.
Jaden, when are you going to be riding the 250?
I don't know.
Soon?
Yeah.
Yeah, you keep outgrowing your bikes, so 250 up next, I reckon. Just straight from the 65 to the 250, yeah? And you can show me how to ride it, I think.
Yeah.
Boys, how's the turn track been today? What have we been practicing? Corners? What are we focusing on when we're going in the corners?
Feet on the peg.
What else?
Standing up if it's bumpy and elbows up.
Yeah, Cody, what have you been doing?
I've been standing up and putting my elbows up.
Yeah, good boy. Okay, right, boys. So now, when we come to the corners, when we come to the berms, we're going to be standing up because some of the berms are a bit choppy coming into them. We've got your braking bumps where people have been braking and causing a bit of a choppy entrance to the berm. So we should be standing up. I want you to stay standing up. Okay. Feet on the pegs, toes in. Okay. Chest over the handlebars a little bit. And ride that berm round all the way, okay? Okay. No sitting down. No. All the top riders are doing it now, okay? So we're gonna go feet on the pegs, standing, rail it round the berm, okay? Yeah. We'll get a little bit quicker each time, but start at a pace you're comfortable with. Let's do this.
Do this. Let's do this.
Yeah. Yeah, good riding, boys. Watch Daddy, the expert. Actually, okay, the beginner, go around the berms standing up, all the way round, okay? Yeah? Let's have a look.
Who do you think goes around the berms better, boys? You or Daddy? Yeah, I think so too.
The turn track was amazing today. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and follow us.